Guys, it's Thursday, and let's be honest, I have no idea what to film today. Got our incubator going. It's at 99.5 degrees, 53% humidity. Look at this, it turns on its own. So far, it's doing great. I was trying to figure it out. Last night I screwed up and I couldn't get the humidity level to stay where I needed it. And so I figured out this plug is supposed to go there. Learn the hard way. And then you gotta mess with the little thing up here a lot to get the humidity where it needs to be. But I figured it out. And so I collected some more eggs. We have almost a dozen eggs that we can hatch out now. And I'm super pumped about that. We're gonna do about another dozen because it could fit 22 eggs. So maybe another 2 days and then we're gonna start putting them in there and seeing how it works. Super pumped because this is gonna bring unlimited amount of birds to our homestead. All the animals. Guys, I can't lie, Bam Bam, even though he just bit my finger, he's doing a lot better. He's doing great. Grandma is super glad to be back. See, as I say that, he's back there hitting the little guy. But that's his woman that he likes, and he doesn't like it when the little ones get around her. So, it just is what it is. It's just another day. And guys, I just cannot lie. Like I said earlier, I don't know what to film today. I have gone through different situations that I was going to film and it's just not working out. It's just one of those days that you're just not feeling it. And as always, we keep this super real. So I figured I tried to do a throwback Thursday video where I showed you guys old skits and stuff like that, but it's stuff that me and Jared filmed a long time ago, but it has copyright music in it and stuff like that, so I just muted it, and it wasn't that funny, I didn't think. So maybe in the future, we could do a commentary where me and Jared and Jaylena sit there, and it's a lot funnier than me sitting there, and I could show you, or we could show you some of those skits. So if you guys are interested in seeing old skits that Jared and I did starting back like 7 years ago, we would love to show you if you're interested, so please let us know. But for now, I'm gonna throw out some feed to these guys and get them to be quiet for a minute. Rooster! So I threw the food out, they're all out there, so I can actually talk now. Guys, I am so embarrassed of this. Look at how poorly this looks. The rooster even said, "You suck!" Guys, this weather, I think this week we have some rain coming, and after this week, we are going to... Is this the rooster? What are you doing, Rooster? Taking a bath? Rooster's in there taking a bath, but a little dust bath. But guys, after this week and the rain stops, I'm gonna finish the top of that chicken tractor and I want to move them out in the grass. I want them to be able to start eating bugs and just living a normal life and getting used to it. But we were going to do that today, but I don't want to put them out there and it rain and then they're stuck in the rain. So I am not going to do that. Guys, have you seen Can You Stop a Rooster from Crowing video? We're going to link that below. That's our star over there, Mr. Joe Dirt or Donald Trump, whatever you want to call him, because we haven't figured out which name we're going to call him. But guys, I am so sick and tired of the daily routine of doing nothing. That's why today I woke up and I was just like, I'm not filming this again. You can go feed the animals. I could just talk and hold the camera like this and walk around my barn and talk about collecting eggs. Guys, that gets boring, and I know you guys don't want to watch that every day. And I know some of you guys said, just film your daily chores. I get tired of my daily chores, so I know you guys get tired of it. So throw down some suggestions in the comment of what we could film. We got something, well, tomorrow we're going live, Friday, tomorrow, going live at 8 p.m. instead of Saturday, so get ready for that. But on Saturday, we have something cool planned. We're going somewhere, we're gonna film, and then on Sunday, we're gonna put out another video that I already have planned, but today, it's just trying to figure it out. So I'm just being completely honest with you guys because that's what we do on this channel, and just let you guys know that this is a full-time job for us, and for us to come up with videos every single day, 365 videos a year is hard to do every single day. So bear with us. Hopefully this video today won't be too boring, but I'm gonna start doing some planning stages, maybe some light cleanup in here that needs to get done. So let's start with cleaning. I think we need a new wheelbarrow. Alright, that'll do for now. Guys, I think we need a new wheelbarrow. This one has run its course. As you guys know, we're doing the incubator. So I collected some eggs earlier, which you just saw, but I think there might be more. Yep, I think there's one down in there, which you probably can't see. So as of right now, every egg counts, so collecting them all, so they could be little chicks soon. So another thing we need to get going is fixing all this up. As you guys know, we built the pen back there for the goats, and they're not going to be having babies for another like 4 months. So we're going to eventually spread them this way, build some more and redo it. So we need your help on the layout on how to set this up. So we need to set up an area for milking goats whenever we get our female. So what I was thinking was, we'll pull out, let me show you. So maybe we could pull out this section here, and then that section there, and then we'll take this, and we're gonna put it here. So it's only a 5-foot gap. I don't know if I'll use the actual fence gate or if I'm gonna build it more like the pen, which I think I am gonna do it more like the pen because I want this section here, from here this way, to be for our chickens and ducks. And so I'm gonna make a spot where only the chickens and ducks can fit through it, and they can get in there and do their thing so the little baby goats won't get on their eggs and stuff, because you guys notice now our chickens and ducks are laying in different spots because, or the little goats have started to overtake their area and knock out all the hay and everything. So that sucks. So I'm thinking chickens over there, and then it's gonna be open from that pole, the first pole right there, all the way to here, to this pole. That'll just be open, and then between this pole and this pole, kind of where the red coop is, it'll be an area where I can milk, and we can have it fenced off so we can bring a goat in and then have a little goat stand and we can milk the goat whenever we get it. And also, let us know if you're better off getting an adult goat that has already been milking, because we're gonna be first time. I've never milked a goat. Maybe once in my life I've like milked a cow and I don't remember, but I don't know. So what's easier, for me to go ahead and get a goat that has been milked and is easier, or should I get a young goat, kind of like we did with Stainer, and then do it to where we raise her up and then she just knows us, and then we can start milking her whenever it's time and just teach her that way. So if you have experience with that, please let us know what works best, and we're gonna pretty much have to take your advice on it unless for some reason we find a goat for super cheap. But normally when you find a goat for super cheap, it's probably because they don't want it for a reason if they're older. So we'll see what happens. I was also told in a comment that our eggs over there will not hatch because the duck doesn't stay on it enough. And as you can see, hopefully, let me see. It's dirty, of course, but that's the duck. She literally only gets off to eat and then goes back on it. And so we had one of our ducks last time hatch some eggs, so we think they're gonna hatch. Not all of them, but we don't know. We didn't mark them. We should have marked them to see which ones were older or not, but we think they're gonna hatch and do well. We hope she's a good mom. If we could hatch our duck eggs the natural way and our chicken eggs in the incubator, we can have double eggs hatching at the same time, so that would be amazing. And so we'll see. I think she's been on there maybe a week or so, and I think duck eggs are what, 28 days, something like that. I know it's longer than chickens and different humidity and all that, so we'll find out. But let's check on these little chicks. You guys doing good? What's up? These guys are getting so big. Come here, buddy. And some of them, these guys are a little friendlier. This white one's super friendly, and this one's friendly. But I want to mess with them every day so they know who I am, and they'll let us pick them up. We're pretty sure that this one might be a rooster. We're hoping it's a hen, but it might be a rooster. But it is super, super calm with us, super great. We absolutely love this chicken. But they're just growing up so well, and we want our chickens to be able to just come up to us and have us pick them up and stuff, so we will hopefully get to that point. We also had someone ask us if we were scared that the rooster was going to scratch us or anything like that when we pick them up. Not at all. We've had the big red chicken rooster since it was a chick, and then Donald Trump we've had for, I don't even know, over a year and a half, something like that. Whenever we did our Can You Stop a Rooster from Crowing video, we've had them for a little while before that. No, I'm not really scared of the chickens pecking me. If they get me, they get me. I'm not really scared of any of my animals. If I'm scared of an animal, I'm not going to have it, and I'm not going to keep it. So I am not scared of any of these animals. Don't think that I'm just an idiot and I'll pick up any animal and I'll get like a bull or something and go up to it because I'm not scared. Just know your animals, know what you're dealing with, and if it's an animal you're not comfortable with, get rid of it because it's not worth it. Guys, I need help. What breed? What breed is this one? We'll say this is chick 1. Chick 2. Chick 3. Chick 4 would be these back here. Smaller, red but smaller. And then chick 5, that one. What kind are they, guys? I have my guesses, but I want your guess, and we'll see if they're the same. But throw some guesses down below. It'd actually be awesome if it wasn't a guess, if you knew exactly what it was. So let us know below. Look at these guys. Y'all were kissing. Y'all were making out. But guys, let us know. What breeds are these? Bam Bam just sitting there being super nice. Probably because all the food's gone. Guys, and I got on Teespring, which is the place that we sell t-shirts. On YouTube, it's always like a little link below our video. And I know it's kind of pricey, and I know that the shipping and all that can get kind of pricey, but I'm trying to create a shirt that is super cheap. We literally make zero profit on it, whatever. We don't make any money. It's just the Teespring company gets paid for their time and effort. But I'm trying to make one, but for some reason it's not allowing me. But it's going to be one for only the family page, and so on Facebook. So once that actually works, we're going to throw the link in the family Facebook page, and only you guys can get it. It'll be a private link. It's going to be shirts that Jared and Jaylene and I want to wear all the time and kind of promote the Crocker Homestead family on YouTube. That's coming really soon, and we just want you guys to be able to have something that's special that only we can have. Not everyone that gets on YouTube, but only the family page. So if you're not on the family page, go over there, like it. It's an open forum for all you guys to post whatever you want. And we get crazy memes, we get cool messages, and photos of you guys in the snow. One of you guys posted a picture of your van covered in snow, and it made me realize that the cold here is not so bad. The chickens are taunting the duck, and she does not like it. Oh, they want to. I see a chicken egg over there. So it's probably what they're going after. They're mad. So I'm gonna have to go pull that chicken egg out of there real quick. Guys, y'all see this shirt? Hold on, let me put this down so I can show you guys my shirt. Ask me about my goat. Guys, we got a cool t-shirt in the mail. One of our awesome viewers sent us these shirts. Thank you so much for sending that. And the other stuff that you put in there we're not gonna mention, but thank you so much. You have no idea how awesome that is. And we're gonna show more of the stuff tomorrow during our live chat. I just wanted to wear my shirt because it's cool. And why not have everyone ask me about my goats, because you guys know I love my goats. Bam bam. But Stainer, love that little dude. I love my little dwarf goats also. So I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys the food we were making yesterday. I still had it going because I want that stuff to be so tender. So let's go check that out. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. You can't tell me that don't look good. Jaylene is in here painting.
Who's Julie Barnes?
And knocking some stuff out because we couldn't do a whole lot of building. So she's in here painting, and hopefully we can get this finished sooner than later and then start on our house, because that would be awesome. Jaylena, why is it TV so loud? It's distracting. She can't find the remote. 20 bucks says it's in the kitchen. Oh, let's see. Right here. She has this weird thing of leaving the remote in the kitchen for whatever reason, but every time you need the remote in this house, just go to the kitchen. So we're sorry this video was a little boring today. We're gonna call it a day. Like I said earlier, I have no idea what to video, guys. I don't know if you saw Jaylena doing her squats, but she is doing her squats. I did my ab workouts. Not gonna lie again, yesterday was the first day that I really hit it hard with my ab workout.
I started Monday.
Jaylena started Monday. She's doing better than I. But I'm gonna do a full month. It doesn't matter. Actually, I said 5 days a week. So as long as, can you turn it down? So as long as I do my ab workouts the rest of this week, then I'm good. But sorry, today's vlog was just another boring talking video. Tomorrow we're going live. So guys, tomorrow, Friday, not Saturday, Friday, we're going live, 8 p.m. And then Saturday, I just got confirmation from the person. We are going out there and we're gonna film something cool. We're gonna stay somewhere. And then Sunday, we're gonna put out a video that's cool and has more to it than just walking around talking. It's gonna be a little more heartfelt message in it. So guys, thank you so much as always. Blah 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 down in the description. You know the routine. I'm not gonna say it, but I'm just gonna check out the incubator one more time before we go. 54%. So I'm gonna have the humidity come down a little bit, but guys, in the next 2 days we should start putting eggs on the incubator. So we're super pumped. I mean, super pumped. That means big things for us here at the Crocker homestead. So guys, as always, thank you so much for everything. Jaylena is gonna keep looking through y'all's comments. We've been commenting a lot more. So see you guys tomorrow, live chat. Love you guys. Bye.